In your DBA application form, we ask you to produce a research proposal. But what is a DBA proposal and what elements are involved in it? Now, this proposal we ask you to produce during the application process is not a rigorous research proposal you'll eventually produce for your dissertation, but rather it is an exercise to help you think abstractly about the business problem you want to solve and reflect on your personal motivation for pursuing this DBA. This proposal includes 3 key elements. First, it's your research topic. We ask you to describe the problem that you want to solve in just 1 sentence. And second, it is a short literature review. You should find and synthesize at least 5 research articles that address your question and then list these references in an academic citation format. And finally, we ask you to write about your personal motivations for this DBA.